Hi Virgo, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. And this is your monthly forecast for October 2012. Virgos, we start this month with a phenomenal transit. We have Saturn who's moving in 28 and a half years to Scorpio. Saturn has been residing in Libra for 2.5 years and it makes this transit around October 5th to Scorpio. Now, Saturn never really leaves our charts, Virgo. I often get some very lovely mails asking me as to when is it that finally Saturn is going to be leaving my chart. But in truth, Saturn merely shifts its focus onto another part of the chart or another part of the house that requires importance at that point of time. So we have Saturn this month who's going to be gracing your third house. Your third house is all about higher learning. Third house is about communication. It is about adding a new skill set. It is all about learning. And you have Saturn there, and Saturn is going to be teaching you lessons which need to be learned, some homework which needs to be redone. And Virgos, I think with your discipline and with your eye for detail, I don't think so it will be that much of a task. And often people fear Saturn, but I think the lessons that Saturn teaches after she leaves your house, those lessons are with you for life to be learned for that particular sector. So try to move along with the energy of Saturn and see what are the lessons that can be not just be learned but also applied in your life. There seems to be some concern around finances, Virgos, and this trend started about from last week of September, with you worrying about whether it is not enough investments or you need to be putting money on a side or that you have not as yet started saving, which is quite unlike a Virgo. So we have this month that there are opportunities that will open up for you, wherein that you will find new ways, new methods to not just save money but also earn resources through various places. This is also a great time to be stabilizing your finances, Virgos. It is, and Saturn loves being in the third house. The third house is also supposed to be sort of a difficult house because a lot of people find learning to be quite daunting. Every time that you're trying to learn maybe a new language, a new skill set, it seems to be quite an effort, and a lot of people are sort of they fear it. And Saturn loves being in the third house, so I think it is kind of beneficiary for you for Saturn to be there in your third house. Now, it is also a great time, Virgos, for you to be adding a new skill set to yourself. So, if for the longest time, if you've thought about doing a course or whether it is higher learning, whether it is picking up of a new language, or it is just adding another skill set to your work, this is a brilliant time to be doing it. I think if you just apply your mind to it and if you sort of decide to do it, this is something which will really yield you tremendous results. I think this is one of the most important things for you in this month's forecast, that apply your mind, try and learn something new. Also, Virgos, as the trend or as the month also unfolds, you will find some amount of a resistance or some amount of a criticism coming your way as far as your conversations are concerned, and you could be at that surprise, because in the past, whenever you sort of voiced an opinion, it was met without much resistance. But now you'll find that every time that you're making a point, or the way that you are speaking, or the way that you're voicing your opinion is met with some amount of a resistance and criticism, and it could take you by surprise. But get used to this at least for the next 2.5 years. And I think it is good, because it is good to get challenged on your views, on your thought processes, on how is it and why is it that you think about certain things in a certain way. So it's a good thing. It's a good thing to be challenged on your thoughts and your views and your beliefs. It is also good on the same part to stay flexible as well in your mind. So stay open to new thoughts. Stay open to new ways of thinking. Try not to get very righteous and rigid over there, Virgo, saying that no, I know best and I'm not going to be sitting and listening to this. This is a great time for you career wise. I think it's quite a phenomenal time. Towards the 16th of October, you should hear some very good news regarding your work. I think your work is, in any case, is really picking you up, and if it is not making you travel as of now, I think by end of October for sure you would be doing some amount of travel as well. And this is something which will also expand your mind, besides bringing you in touch with people from across cultures, and that is something that all Virgos love. So it's a great time to be interacting. It's a great time to be sharing of ideas. It's a great time to be learning through people, through experiences. Mars is also going to be there in your house for the next 6 weeks, and Mars is going to be giving you its verve and its push. It's going to make you a bit aggressive as well. So try not to get into a confrontational mode. Try also, like I said, to have an open mind. Try to look at things from newer perspectives. And as far as your love is concerned, for those of you where things have not been working out with Venus getting into your house, I think it's going to sort of give it a new lease of life. And for those of you wherein also things have gone sour, I think this is a sort of it will make you look at it again. It will be sort of refreshing things for you. And for those of you, I think, who have been trying to work things out, also it's good news. I think it's a nice thing. There's a lot of hope, a lot of positivity with Venus being there. So if you're giving your relationship a second go, I would say go for it. It all looks good, Virgos. It's especially for single Virgos. I think it's nice. It looks quite nice. So don't be don't worry too much, and don't overanalyze things, especially in the relationship piece of it. And just go with the flow, and have faith that it'll turn out for the best. So overall, a good month for you, Virgos. I'll see you again in November, and thank you so much for watching.